What's going on, guys? Today I want to do a quick unboxing and review on this VivImage C480 home theater projector. Now this is a great budget projector. It's also really small and compact, so it's very nice to travel with. It's very lightweight. Let's just take a quick look at the packaging here. So this is the back of the box and then the front here. And let's open it right up. So right inside we have a quick start guide, user manual, as well as just some product information. We'll toss that aside for the time being. We have the power cable, HDMI cable, remote control. This does require two AAA batteries, which are not included, and then a AV adapter to plug in some old RCA cables. So let's look at the projector itself. It's got a nice brushed finish. Again, it's very light. I think this comes in right around 2 pounds. This is the lens. So it looks like this one here we use to focus, and this is the keystone. Menu controls right on top. We've got a power button right on the back of the machine. On the side we have a SD card slot, so it can read SD card, headphone jack, AV jack for the RC cables, 2 USB ports, and the HDMI port. It looks like the heat sink is here, so it will blow out the warm air right here. The speaker is located on the rear of the device, and on this side we have the input for the power. We do have a little stand on the bottom here, you can stand it up, and we also have a tripod mount. Let's go ahead, plug everything in, and check out this projector. Let's see how well it does. Alright guys, so I have the projector plugged in now, and you can see it's displaying on that screen right there. So again, this is the focus right here. So if we twist this, you'll see it kind of goes out of focus, and then we keep scrolling, and that brings it in focus right around there. This knob right here is the keystone. So if your projector is not sitting straight, this is what we would use to adjust that keystoning effect. On the remote we have a couple of controls. Power button, if we hit that once, the projector will ask us, are we sure we want to turn it off? And you hit it twice and it completely turns off. We'll turn it back on. On the right side we have the mute button, play, as well as fast forward and rewind if we were to put an SD card in there. Control or toggle through the menu right here. Back button, menu button, and source button, and then volume down and up. So if we toggle the source, you can see we have a few choices. USB, USB 2, the SD card, the HDMI, and AV. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug my iPhone in, and let's go ahead and try this out. guys can see, the quality of this video is pretty good. At just around 70 bucks, I would say this is a great budget projector. This is good if you're just traveling and you want to take this with you to the hotel and project this on a wall. The native resolution is 800 by 400. It supports inputs up to 1080p, so you can easily throw your iPhone on here or your laptop on here. The volume goes up pretty high, so as you can see in the last video, I had it set at 100 and then I brought it back down. The colors look pretty good on here. It's got a wide range of colors. And again, it's just so simple and easy to use. Now you can see if the lights are completely on or off, they look the projector does very well. When you turn the lights up, it still does a pretty decent job at projecting. Of course, this is in a pretty bright setting, so we'll show you in a pitch black room. This is pitch black. If you guys did find the video helpful, please smash that thumbs up button, guys. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. Product link down below as well, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.